Assalamualaikum ji. We are Dallas Designer Handbags, and we are more focused towards pre-loved, mint condition pre-loved, authentic luxury handbags and wallets. We have a wide variety of collection, which includes Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Prada, Fendi, Burberry, and we also have with the likes of box open, like never used and slightly used, mint condition pre-loved bags, and we also are introducing a variety of new bags as well. And inshallah, with the passage of time, we also have our own outlet in Dallas, USA. So you can pre-book bags from directly from Dallas, and it will be delivered to you in Pakistan, here in Islamabad. You can just check out the website, dallasdesignerhandbags.com. There you can filter according to the condition of the bags. Just check the price and let us know. We will ship that bag for you here in Islamabad, and we'll give it to you. And we are also on eBay. You can check our outlet on eBay. We are there for last 12, 13 years. We opened up our Dallas Frisco outlet in 2015. It's been 8 years. And now in May 2023, we opened up our outlet in Islamabad. You can visit us, and we will show you all the bags in our outlet. We are in the Wellness Center, Islamabad, just adjacent to Layers Bakery. And we are in between the Layers Bakery and Burning Brownie. And we are in Beverly Center, the Nazmuddin side. Currently, we are only in Islamabad, but inshallah, we are also planning in other cities of Pakistan as well. We are also providing shipping services. If somebody wants to get back from Islamabad, we'll provide free of shipping, plus the discount, if we have any, to any city of Islamabad. You can also send or sell your bags to us as well. Yes, this is one thing that I need to explain, that you can also sell your mint condition pre-loved high authentic luxury bags to us, right? And we'll inshallah give you a good price. We also have a price matching policy or price beating policy. So if you are already buying and selling luxury handbags anywhere in Pakistan or outside Pakistan, if you want to sell any of your bags, you can definitely consult us as well, and you can compare the prices. And we have, alhamdulillah, a price beating policy or price matching policy in which we can give you a very good price, but we only buy mint condition bags. Like, the bags need to be in a very good condition. We prefer that never used bags should be sold to us. Only we are more interested, actually we are more inclined towards buying box open bags, so that people who have their, usually people have bags that are never used. They maybe they got it as a gift, and if they want to revolve or trade with our bags, that is also possible, right? And we'll give you a good amount of that bag. And inshallah, this is our vision, to introduce trade and you can say revolvement of luxury within their closet, so that they can enjoy luxury. Foreign out of love, sell your bag to us. Thank you very much.